Instagram, how to see who views your profile. In order to see who views our profile on Instagram, right? So normally TikTok has allowed this feature for years. If you have the profile view enabled, you should be able to see who has viewed your profile by simply coming to this particular tab. And if you've turned off your profile views or turned it on, you should be able to see it. But Instagram does not have an official method to see if someone has viewed your profile. Now, if there are third-party services that are claiming that they can help you see, do not trust it. You'll most likely fall into a scam. If Instagram themselves are not offering who's seeing your profile, no one else will be able to find it as well. The only way is, let's say your account is public and you always upload a story, right? And let's say suddenly when you open your story, you saw someone who is not in your follower list also viewed your story. Then that probably means that they have viewed your profile. Other than that, there isn't any other official method that Instagram has given us to see who views our profile. In the future, if they might come up with such an update, I'll also make sure to update you about it. But until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.